In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a low-quality logo into a high-quality image using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the canvas where you would like to place the logo on. Now, open the logo image and make sure to remove the background. To do so, simply use the Magic Wand tool, which you can find by right-clicking on the Quick Selection tool. Now, click on the background to select, and if there are separate parts of the background, simply hold down the Shift key before clicking on the area that you would like to select. Then, press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the background. Now, drag the logo to the canvas and resize the image. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and open the Image tab on the menu bar and select Image Size. Here, double the value of the resolution of the logo, then click OK. Now, open the Filters tab on the menu bar and select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then set the value to where the edges are now smoother. Once you're satisfied, simply hit OK. Now, with the logo still selected, simply create a new fill or adjustment layer by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then select Levels. Here, adjust the pins to where the logo is now more opaque. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.